all, come back again with learning Thai with Dot today. And yes, today we're gonna learn about another word that is disappointed. Disappointed, disappointed, disappointed is an adjective for the grammatic. And the meaning of disappointed is ผิดหวังผิดหวังผิดหวัง For example, in sentence, we can say, I feel very disappointed in my exam result. I feel very disappointed in my exam result. I feel very disappointed. ฉันรู้สึกผิดหวัง in my exam result. ในผลสอบของฉัน ในผลสอบของฉัน So, for example, I feel very disappointed in him. I feel very disappointed in him. ฉันรู้สึกผิดหวังในตัวเขา You can say like that as well. When you feel very sad, very bad about somebody else make something to you and you feel like it should not be like that, you can say like, oh, I feel very disappointed in him or in her. Okay, so in case that you have any question, just let me know. Don't forget, one more time with me, disappointed. It in Thai we say ผิดหวังผิดหวังผิดหวัง Okay, any question let me know and I will answer you back as soon as possible. And thank you very much for watching and see you for the next time. Bye bye.